Alright, so my wife got a nail here, and she did buy some new tires for this truck. They come next week, of course, so we just need to make it through one more week. So we're gonna go ahead and try to repair this. It's right on the inside of the thread, so it's pretty close to the sidewall, which is pretty dangerous there. You don't usually try to fix this, but let's go ahead and I'll show you what you need. So you're gonna need this kit. I got this at AutoZone, and so step one is you have to pull this out, but you're only gonna pull this out. When you pull this out, you have to have this tool, this one, what they call the file, ready to go. So I'm gonna pull it out and swap it with this, all right? Stay tuned, guys. So let's pull this out. This is a big boy. And it's gonna take some force, so as you can see. All right, we got that there. And the next thing is we get the plug ready. Now, all right, so it's a pretty thick plug there. I mean hole. So there's one of these thicker ones, and you gotta kind of thread it through here. And you're basically gonna get it halfway through. And you gotta thread it through. Halfway mark right there. Right? And then you wanna coat it with the plug bond. Primarily around here. This is gonna help it create the adhesion it needs. Alright, so we had to take the tire off because we couldn't get enough leverage to push the plug in, so let's try it again. Once you push it in, you're gonna pull out quickly with a one fell swoop. There we go. Alright, so next is we're gonna cut the plug down. Now, I know they say surface, but you wanna give it enough for it to flatten out. Well, so the mascot, this is why my wife has this sticker on her car. Man. But anyway, my wife finally got her tires done. She got brand new tires on the truck. If you remember, we did the grill the last time.